Welcome to the Louisville Metro Revenue Commission's online tax portal, EMINTS. This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an EMINTS logon to gain access to your tax accounts. Please note all tax information used in this demonstration is fictitious and for instructional purposes only. To get started, navigate to the EMINTS homepage at emints.metrorevenue.org. Under the Access and Registration panel, we're going to use Create a Logon for our online tax portal, EMINTS. Select the circle next to I will be filing taxes for myself or my employer and click Next. To create a logon, you must have already registered with the Louisville Metro Revenue with an open tax account. If you haven't registered, you can use the Register with the Louisville Metro Revenue Commission link. In the What You'll Need section is a list of information that you will need in order to create the logon. If you don't have any of this information, you can give us a call at 502-574-4860 and a customer service representative can help you. When you're ready to start, you can click Next and enter the information. You can choose the ID type, enter that ID number, enter your business name, select a tax account that you have, and enter your customer or account ID. You'll also need a letter ID. If you have not received a letter from our office, you can return to the EMINTS home screen and click Request a Letter by Mail. You can enter your zip code and click Next. On this next step, you're going to create your username and password. Usernames and email addresses must be unique. If the username or email is already in use, you may not reuse it. Be sure to create your password using the criteria listed. Set a secret question, or you can choose to write your own and enter that answer. You can click Next. On the contact information, this is the email and phone number that we would use in order to contact you if there were any issues regarding your EMINTS account. Your phone type, and your phone number. If you would like to choose electronic correspondence, you may leave the answer as yes. If you prefer to receive letters or correspondence through the mail, you can set it to no. And click Next. And this is just the summary screen to review the information that you've entered. When you're ready to submit, you can click Next and then Submit. Here's your confirmation. You'll always receive a confirmation code and also a confirmation email to the address listed